Hi, my name is Brandon Wolf. I am a Customer Success Manager for IHT. And in this video, I'm going to share a tip on how to speed up the pickup and return process with your students. Once you've logged into the IHT Spirit System software on your desktop and you've come to this screen, the next step is to click on the blue settings link, which is on the bottom left-hand corner. Once you've clicked on the link, it's going to pull up a window. This window is going to have a couple tabs for you to select. And we're actually going to stay on the very first tab that says Application Settings. Here we're going to focus on the first two lines. And what these two lines will represent is the amount of seconds that the window is popped up for the pickup for the student and also for the return of the student of the zone. And right now it's defaulted to 15 seconds, meaning that that screen for the return and that screen for the pickup is going to stay up for them for 15 seconds. And that's a long time. So what we're going to do is we're going to decrease that amount of seconds so it doesn't stay up on the screen as long. So all you have to do is go to this first line that says pickup timeout in seconds, and you're just going to select the amount of seconds you want it to be up on the screen. We recommend here at IHT to just have this at a 3-second duration. The return is really up to the grade level that you're teaching. So if you want that return screen to be up a little bit longer because you want the students to be able to see how well they did in your class, you might want to go anywhere between 5 to 10 seconds. So I'm going to put it at 5 seconds. Whereas, again, if you decide to go 5 and you don't like it, you feel like that's too short of a time, then you're more than welcome to go back into the settings, into the applications settings tab, and just correct it and just add the time that you would like. So once you've selected the time for the pickup and for the time for the return, you're going to select the button that says done. And now it's going to be defaulted for the pickup time to be 3 and the return time to be 5. I hope this tip helps speed up the process for the pickup and return for your students. Thank you.